So for the 3F weld, we move the metal to a vertical position. You're going to weld this seam vertically. It's not the most stable. It's going to tack weld because it's scrap metal. Need a little bigger stance to sit on. So I'm going to tack that in place. Making sure it's solid and vertical. I'm going to weld that seam. And me, I like to start at the top, work my way to the bottom of that weld. You can go bottom top. I go top to the bottom. Same technique. Keep the gun angle kind of aggressive. Keep the nozzle in there close. And kind of concentrate on both pieces, the left edge, the right edge. Equal kind of sharing of that weld on the whole seam. Let's give that a try. That tack weld loose. Tack weld, there it is. Just looking for a somewhat even, clean face. Nice biting toes. Equal leg. There's a 3F weld.